When safety and health depend on paperwork and assumptions instead of data, you put your team at risk. Modern protection must be predictive, automated, and always active. Meet Sabentis, the leading occupational health and safety (OHS) platform, protecting more than 8 million workers in 150,000 companies. For more than 20 years, Sabentis has had a single goal: to digitize and connect safety and health. Sabentis isn't just another OHS tool. It's an intelligent ecosystem that redefines prevention. Sabentis is the only platform in the industry with end-to-end integrated generative AI, true computer vision, machine learning, and an automated decision engine built into its architecture. We are pioneers in AI-driven ergonomics with proprietary EMG sensors, motion analysis, and posture detection that automatically scores the level of risk. Our solution integrates 45 modules that unify all of OHS, from health surveillance and risk assessment to psychosocial, ergonomics, emergency plans, CAE, business intelligence, training, and the worker and contractor portals. Sabentis' API integrates with any system through open standards, connecting seamlessly with SAP, Oracle, Workday, Dynamics, ERPs, and analytics tools. With Sabentis Plus, our e-learning platform, you deliver, manage, and oversee all your training and certifications in one place. And with our app, you can also manage in-the-field inspections, alerts, plans, and preventive actions from any device. Sabentis' AI, automation, and predictive analytics reduce risks, optimize inspections, trigger smart alerts, and streamline key processes, providing data that helps you make better decisions. All of this runs on an enterprise infrastructure backed by ISO 27001 and ENS certifications, built on Microsoft Azure to deliver continuous performance, intelligent autoscaling, and maximum security. Are you ready to leave behind that software of the past and take the leap into the future? Choose Sabentis. Choose the extraordinary.